Hello students, today we will discuss the geography chapter maps. It is fourth chapter maps. Students, maps. If you have maps, we look the location in any place in the world. Here students, maps. A map is a flag, symbolic representation of the earth or a part of the earth surface, and it is drawn to a scale. यानी अर्थ का कोई भी सिंबल जो सिंबल को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, शो करता है अर्थ का और अर्थ के किसी पार्ट का, यानी उसके सरफेस का, तो वही मैप कहलाता है उसके स्केल द्वारा. अब स्टूडेंट्स, मैप टेकन बाय द ऑन पेपर, ऑन blackboard. Just I am made a map on the board. So students, we can map made by plain paper sheets and might be showing and knowing it is very difficult to convert round spherical surface into the flat surface. यानी earth, the part of flat area, the earth is round in. We can say that many persons tell the earth is round, but the earth is main in your shape the geode. So here students, we can say the earth and globe. Globe is man-made model of the earth, but map is easier. Map we can show the all part of the earth in front, but globe we can say half part of the earth on one time. When we round the globe, then we show other part. But on the map we can see the total part of the earth in one time. So students, here is types of maps. Political maps show the state boundaries and international boundaries, any other countries boundaries, such as here is the Pakistan, so it is the boundary of country Pakistan. It is the boundary of country of Pakistan. It is the all boundary of Pakistan. Here is China, and here is the Afghanistan. It is the boundary of Bangladesh, and it is the international boundary. And also it is the Jammu Kashmir boundary. Here is Himachal Pradesh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, and it is a boundary. So it is the political map. It is physical map, students. Physical map show the water bodies and land forms. Any water body, any inside the. I am telling about the India. Any water bodies like rivers, lakes, and seas. Any water bodies and land forms. Such as area of the land of the earth, यानी जो अर्थ का एरिया होता है, जैसे such as it is the all of the mountain area. It is the all of mountain area. It is also mountainy area. Here is it is the part of the desert area, यानी plateau area. Desert area. Here it is the part of the Deccan Plateau area. Plateau area, it is the plain area, and it is the plain area of the northern part of the area. So here students, it is the coastal area. So land water bodies and land forms area shown by on the physical map. And third is topographical maps. These show three types: climatic map, tourist map, and thematic map. Thematic map, students, is the climatic map, and the climatic map show weather conditions. Climatic maps show weather conditions such as wind direction, rainfall, temperature, pressure. It is show wind direction, temperature, climatic conditions, so any rainfall. And tourist map, it is when the people go to tourist. These have hill stations, beach, area of the near of the sea. Water bodies, and it is the historical monuments, also historical monuments or monuments map, it is show the students, it is show photographs, diagrams, information, biographs, pie chart, and it is show. Or students, the map, a book of map, it is called the atlas. A book of map, it is called the atlas. Or here students, it is a Lakshadweep. It is a Lakshadweep. It is a part of India, yani union territory of India. It is the Andaman and Nicobar Island. It is the Andaman and Nicobar Island. It is also union territory. It is the southern part of the India. This is the southern part of India. It is the northern part of India, and this is the western part of India. This is also western part of India, and it is the eastern part of India. It is the eastern part of India. Here is students Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. It is border body, and in western side, it is the eastern side of India. It is the Bay of Bengal, eastern side of India, and western side of India, Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea, it is the western part of India, and southern side border body, Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. It means India is covered with three sides of water. So that's students. That's all.